So make a YouTube channel. Yeah, it'll cure you. It'll make you less, how do we say, depressed. I don't think it's the YouTube channel that's going to do that. I think it's me taking this engine apart. Okay, so again we have some little 10mm bolts holding on a pair of brackets. Well, it's actually only one bracket by the look of it, but one bracket is holding on the fuel rail, or the fuel pipe. So, then pair of fuel pipe. And I've got the bagging system still going, so I am still bagging everything up. What that's meant is this little bracket has now come off. The actual wiring was skewered onto them too. Well, that can go with that. And here you can see the actual bracket for the fuel pipe. What I'm going to do is there's an electrical connection here, which I don't know what it is, but it's got to be some kind of crank sensor. And there's another one on this side, which I have no idea how to open. Tab at the end. Push that. So now, looks like we still have some more. Yeah, there's another electrical connector inside here, which is a metal push-on clip. That's the fuel rail, which we are keeping together at the moment. And it looks like there is a possibility of another electrical connection going off somewhere there. So what I'm going to do now is remove this other plenum. You see that all the brackets are actually loose, they're just not there. Take that off, unbolt these two, bag up the two nuts either side for this, and hopefully we can get a bit further. But I'll come back to you in a moment. So now, as we rejoin, we've got the other side off, connects it all around. What it's got is there's two throttle position sensors, one on that side, one on that side. Again, all that was disconnected the other time. Now we have some electrical wiring running down into the valley. Don't know where that's going. Do we have it on both sides? Yes, it looks like both sides has. There's another connector here for the actual throttle actuator. That's that off. This should be able to peel back more or less. And this is one of the other I need to disconnect. Now it looks like we have some cables going in, but I don't know where to. I'm guessing knock sensors. So in order to get to the knock sensors, we have to take out the actuator for the throttle bodies. It looks a very similar actuator to the S54. And then this is controlling both sides. So they will probably just clip off with a screwdriver, and then 3 10mm bolts, and we can have that out of there. Then this looks to be a vacuum system. So I have to take the vacuum system out of the valley. And then hopefully, I think the knock sensors that these cables are going to, and we'll have the wiring out of here. And there's also a vacuum connection, by the look. Yeah, with a broken elbow or broken vacuum pipe on that side. So that wouldn't have been any good. When this gets rebuilt, we'll have all new vacuum pipes on here. So we'll just unhook that out of the way. That's actually totally separate as well, that. Fuel rail is here. The vacuum system here that's going off to the brake booster looks to come out of the back of the intakes. So if we get a pair of pliers and take them pair off to start off with, that we should have then access into a bit more access. Vacuum pipe off. That's feeling better. Well, feeling better. Mangling it more. As soon as you have it up high enough, normally you can push it back down and it'll snip off the other side. That's how it's clipped on, so it's clipped over that. I'll probably edit most of this out because you don't want to see an old guy struggling with a clip. Or do you? Maybe that's some of the things that you guys like. I would say let me know in the comments. I'm talking to myself at the moment because there's 0 subscribers. So, if you are watching this, you could be the first subscriber. There we go. One mangled clip, but it's off. Now, okay. The question is, do I need to do both sides? Yes, looks like it. So, surprise, surprise, the same the other side. I'm going to tackle it the same way. Twist and pull. Okay. Unravel it. Another one. They won't be recycled. They'll be going in the bin. So guys, I'm going to have to come around that side because this one's off tough. This one ain't moving. Ooh. Didn't know that. There's actually an electrical connection underneath. Yeah. So, this electrical connector was connected under there. So, is there another electrical connector on this side? Yes, there is. And we also have another connector on this. Can you see what I'm doing? So there was actually an electrical connector underneath here, this one. And now we've got this one electrical, two electrical connectors. So we got, same as what we have on the other side. Now we have a lot more freedom to see if we can actually get things out of here. I still think I need to get this hose off. If while I'm pulling this I hit the camera, sorry. Oh my, oh, that was on there hard. You're gone kind of lopsided. Why are you lopsided? Oh, that's better. So, what we can do is that connector and that connector can stay there. We have more, this actually off. We have a hose which is connected there, which we can take out of the way. We have the fuel. Here's the rest of that vacuum contraption. I think goes to the brake booster, which we will probably be not using wherever this engine is going. By Jove, I think we have an engine loom. So yes, engine loom is free. But what you'll also see is there's still fuel in there, so we need to just deal with that now. So what we can now see is inside the actual valley, which you've seen for the first time, we have a selection of nuts and ratchet. So Yes, sometimes somebody may have been living in here, or at least using it as their storeroom. So, I think what's going to happen next time is the throttle bodies will get removed, the actuator, the vacuum system, or possibly idle control system, and then we can start on things like the water pump area, thermostat. Still haven't taken the heads off. Technically I could take the heads off at the moment, but I'm leaving that for another day. I think it's just up for me to now tidy up a bit and end the video, upload it. Hope you like. If you do like, subscribe. If you want to give me some money, send me some. Don't think anybody's going to send me any at the moment. This is all to do with me. What I have also heard is changing these cam sensors at the time when you actually have the engine off is a lot easier. And I'm also going to take this bracket off so that I can save it with the other bracket that we took off for the fuel this side. See you next time, guys.